we treated every clothing purchase like a tattoo purchase? Are you gonna love it forever? What if we applied that same logic to buying our clothes? Because the reality is, most of the clothes that we buy are going to be here forever.
So the Re-Love Your Stuff campaign was a behaviour change campaign aimed at reducing textile waste to landfill at the Western Metropolitan Regional Council. So we wanted people to be looking after their things for longer and then finding responsible ways to pass them on when they no longer wanted them. We wanted them to recycle, reuse, repair, re-love the stuff they have. So we're at a clothing swap. People from the community will buy a ticket and they will go through their wardrobes to find good quality items. They bring them in, they get weighed. While that's happening, all the attendees will be listening to an expert talking about fashion or waste or sustainability.
Know what actually works for you and what is going to lurk for you. Only buy that which makes you feel, look fabulous, that you can use over and over again in many, many ways. Simple as that. If you remember nothing else from today, buy less, buy better, wear it more.
So we diverted over 2 tonnes of textile waste from landfill with the Re-Love Your Stuff campaign. These events do link really well into the waste hierarchy. The top way of managing waste is to avoid creating it.
It's like shopping but better, because it's all that whole circular economy thing, it's the community, it's the joy that you see in everyone else.
And it's really nice to see your things that you finished with move on to a new life.
With the campaign Re-Love Your Stuff, we actually measured people's textile behaviours before and after attending any of our workshops. And what our data showed is that essentially, yes, there was a huge attitude shift to just even thinking about managing textile waste, and the education component is key. We won the Community Events and Engagement Award at the 2025 WasteSorted Awards. Our team worked so hard over the year to run that campaign, so the recognition and validation from the state was incredible. Re-love your stuff!